Good day everyone. We are Group 5 and our capstone topic or title is a web-based archiving system for records management office of Pamantasan, Lungsod ng Pasig. So these are the short background of the Pamantasan Lungsod ng Pasig or PLP. The Pamantasan Lungsod ng Pasig is a state university run by the Pasig City local government in the Philippines. Also, the PLP offers bachelor degree programs in accountancy, business administration, computer science, information technology, engineering, nursing, and hospitality management. The approval of Sangguniang Panglungsod Ordinance Number 11, Series of 1999 established the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig, signed on March 15, 1999. The institution has made feats over the years, producing board passers, especially in the field of nursing. Pamantasan Lungsod ng Pasig was even recognized in 2006 for having a high number of passing percentage in Metro Manila. So these are the developers of the system. Let me introduce to you Mark Cedric M. Almeida. He is assigned to front end of the system. He is the one who designed the user interface of the system. And the next developer is Erwin John B. Melia. He is assigned to back end of the system. He is the one who create a database, creating a function of the system. And the last one is Paul Benson T. Villaflor. He is assigned to documentation and he is the one who always talks to our client. So these are the brief introduction of the study. So archives are collection of documents that have been handpicked for a long-term, permanent storage due to their relevance over time, which may be cultural, historical, or probative. Archives are used to store select documents for safekeeping due to their significance to the institution. The contents of an archive are all sources gathered over a person or organization life cycle. Most of the contents of an archive are the files generated throughout the existence of a person and organization. Archivist manages the records generated by activities such as legal, commercial, administrative, or social. The records that are stored in archives are typically managed by assigned personnel called the archivists. So let me introduce to you Mr. Paul Benson T. Villaflor to discuss a statement of the problem of the system.
I am here today to discuss to you the statement of the problem, the scope and limitation, and the architectural framework of the system. Now, let's go to the statement of the problem. Archive systems are a critical part of organizations. When data is not categorized appropriately, it will lead to record management problems, which affect efficiency and accuracy. A solution to create a web-based platform is proposed to utilize knowledge from the Records Management Office to help increase efficiency and awareness. Now, let's go to the next slide for the scope and limitation. The scope of the study will include different functionalities for the users. Some focus on the ability to navigate around the system, like browsing, accounts management for login and registration, and the transfer of information between the user and the system, uploading and downloading. The system is limited to specific user access and it would not cover the student's academic records. Now, let's go to the architectural framework. The initial system architecture includes a front end for user interface and navigation. Once a user sends a request, it is sent to the back-end files and database where response is returned depending on the request of the user. Now, let me introduce Mr. Erwin John Melia for the system demonstration.
Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to show you our system demonstration. So first, the admin. We're going to log in the admin email address and password. So you can see the dashboard. There are total users total teachers and the total files uploaded by the teachers and by the admin. So in the graph below, you can see the total files downloaded from different departments. For example, the CSS has 26 or the CBA has 3 files. So, next, please add the adding teachers. So add teachers, we need to input school ID, full name, the email, the department, and password. In here, you can see the list of teachers. You can search and delete. Next is the view users. These are the sample users. We can also search and delete. Next is the add document. Add the uploading. You can see the documents right in here, and we show like 25 and 50. Next page, previous page, and we can also select all and archive all. We can also archive one by one by clicking the archive button. So we can see after archiving, the total files is reduced. Yeah, there are no activity log and history log, and it was still under development. And now we log out. Next is the home. Next is about. You can see the details about PLP, the vision, mission, and core values. Next, we can see in the course section, we can see the course offered by the PLP. Next is the admission requirements and qualifications. The faculty is still under development. So first, we're going to go to teachers and log in. After logging in, teachers can see their information in here, and they can edit it by clicking the button. Now, this is where to upload. This is where the teacher, they can choose files to upload. Whether it's only me or shared. This is the shared files. Shared files can see by the teachers and the students from the same department. We can download or archive. And the only me. Okay, this is where the files that you can only see. In here, we can download or archive. Next is the search section. Look in here. the teacher can see the file shared by the department with the teacher and from the same department. And here you can only download. Search. Now for the student section. In here, I'm going to log in the student. To log in, they can only search and download files from the same department. And that's all.